ma? Ang uban mo mga professors, grabe ka terror. Kaya lagi na mo na pa. Lagi ma, unta ma. Then ma, naroon ba may requirement? Mauba? Sa mga requirements? Yung among teacher ma, nag-require of book. Then, ma, mahal ba siya? Panikamutan na nako na, nga makapanabak pang mga hapos, para makapalit ito sa imong libro. Ma, nainom na ligoy mong tambal? Oo, okay naman. Nainom na ako. Ma, basi nagpalabi na sa kagtrabaho. Murag naulian naman po na bumok na sa akong ubo. Sure ka, ma? Ma, pagpag-uwi na lang, ma. Pagkaman na itong kaon. Oh, sige, sige. Ma, salamat din sa maha. Kiginakaya ni mo nga mahimong mama o papa sa ako, ah. Kaya ano na ang tanan na para sa impaskwila. Pero mo ba, scholarship na ka ikaw na lang yun ang magpadayon sa atong pangandoy. Kabala ka ma, paningkamutan na ako na maabot na ako ang akong mga pangandoy. Ay, oo! Barato na siya dahil, bro, kaya na dyan na siya sa bus.
Safe na lang lagi, kay maimuha pa. Mao.
Juan Paulo L. Capitan, Liceo de Cagayan University? Problems are just confirmations of how tough you are. Obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. Always keep in mind that sacrifice and struggle comes first before success. And when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you achieve it. Remember, pain is temporary, quitting is forever. What's a Nick? Lovely are you in every way, a beauty even in pure simplicity. Wishing for the gods to help me seek words of affection I want to speak. Open up your heart to the love I hide. Stay with me, never leave my side. But how can this be, my little star? You're so near, yet so far. Nisura mo kani nga topic, uy. It's how to make it easier. Perfect! Muna niya akong ginapangita. Saan mong pud ni? City Scholar. Pud dito siya. Fair value of asset received, fair value of share capital, par or stated value of share capital. Hala, nanasag lagi yellow paper. Page number 5. 6/25? May gani, wala pa si mo. Study sa. Hala, wala naman ni siya notes. Ganyan mas man siya. Isa. Dear Apin, here is a girl I thought I'd never know. The one who stole my heart so innocently, but with care and grace and perfect love, the perfect thought is us together. The sweetest word is your name, and the greatest thing is your love. I can never forget the first day we met. You sat next to me and gave me the sweetest smile. Yes, that smile. I can never get it off my mind since that day. If only I could capture every time it flashes through my dreams, then I would have done so. That smile of yours inspired me a lot. It washes all my pain, fears, and insecurities away. You came along the moment I needed you the most, like an angel sent from the heavens above. An angel who is worth the love and affection a man can offer. Will you give me the chance to be the man who is willing to love you with no ending? Tungkol siya na nga letter di dyan ko katoon. Ay. Sharina! Focus! Sige, dirasa ka. Magtuon sa. Finally, makatulog na dyan ko. Doon sa kato ganina, anong wala naman siya notes? Noon sa kato siya.
The number you have dialed is not in service. Please check the number and try again.
Ay, 2004 pa man dito ba?
Okay. was actually a top-notch of his batch and a consistent base history. But unfortunately, during his second year, he stopped schooling and we haven't heard about him. What do you want to know about him?
Nothing, Mom. I just saw his name in one of the documents. Well, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, well,
Ano na lang? Manibalik ko niya.
sayang na bata.
Okay, 1/4 net.
Mom Pia! You dropped something.
Oh, thank you.
Ma'am?
Yes? What were you seeing again?
Ay, ma'am. Katong lalaki sa picture. Kaila ka to niya?
I know him. A lot. He was actually my best friend way back in college. Funny gani kaya kung giunsa mi pag-ila. Because I got the lowest grade in accounting 1. And here I am, teaching financial accounting 2. Ironic, isn't it? But because of that incident, we became real good friends. Because he offered to help me with my studies. We're actually so close to the point that we treat each other as siblings. Pati gani bahas yung ilo kabalo ko. One of a kind smell. And so is he to my life. He is a passionate man. Very dedicated. A perfect role model for the youth actually. Believe ko sa iyang fighting spirit. Bisan katrabaho siya, he made sure na may-maintain yapon niya yung grades. Until one day, I noticed he's acting so strange. So I asked him what happened, but he didn't answer me back. He just smiled at me. Ug mao naman dayto ang mga problema na iyang gikumkum for a long time. One day, gignan ko niya magkita dami kinaadaw siya ihatag. Nagulat ko, pero wala siya giabot. Naka-receive rin kong text message nga dili daw siya makaapas kay overtime, change his schedule. So nag-expect ko nga magkita mi the next day. Pero ang wala na ko gi-expect, bad news dayto ang motabo sa ako the next day.
Kagabi na napod ka. Di ka napod kasi makabit, no?
Samok ba? Gigapoy ko gikan sa trabaho yung pag-abot na balay mo na yung maabtan.
Padong! Dugay na kita nag-ipon! Kabalo na ko tanan sa ibong baho! Uyak ano pa ka magbinuang dagdag ko na itong mga anak!
Pa! Wala pa mo na sumana sigira mong away. Kaya ako, gikapoy na ako. Wala na yung mayo nga may tabuan nga pamilya.
Bisa sad mi ugma. Pero luy jud kay ang tagiaan ni Nabuk bay. Ay, Sharina, pagtuon sa jud. Ako magpadayon sa imong mga pangandoy.
Excuse me, miss.